I'm called Abdul Rashid. I advise the student very much engaged in youth works in Nairobi. My question is that when we argue with some of the Christians on some of the verses that I will mention from the Bible, for instance, in Matthew 17, verse 1 to 7, and Matthew 3, chapter 3, verse 16 to 17, where the Father says that Jesus is my Son in whom I am beloved. Sometimes the context really explained is not very clear, and we really go out of arguments. And also John chapter 6, verse 40, Jesus refers himself to as the Son, and also here it's not very clear. The arguments are also very clear. John chapter 9.
No. What is the argument? What is the argument?
The argument is that when we put across that the divinity of Jesus is not there, they will argue using these verses.
Right. You learn to speak this simple language. You see, going and getting embroiled in this verse and that verse and that verse, you can't achieve anything. Simple question you ask the Christian. You say Jesus is God. He said yes. Is there a single place in your Bible, in any version, anywhere in the Bible where Jesus says, I'm God, or where he says, worship me? Is there a single statement in any Bible on earth, any version where Jesus says, I'm God, or where he says, worship me? Is there? There isn't. There isn't. So all this talk about, pulling here and pushing there, and, he said this. Did he say, I'm God? You people go out tomorrow morning and say, Mr. Deedat, he's the new president of Kenya. Huh? So somebody will ask you, did Mr. Deedat claim that? You says, no. Then what they do with you? They got me footsack, man. Don't waste time. If Deedat said he is the president, then we'll want to know how, what makes him. Then you have a right to ask. First thing is, I have to make the claim. I am the Pope of the Muslims. Did I claim that? No. You have no right. You have no right to say, Mr. Deedat is the Pope of the Muslims. You have no right. I must make the claim, and then you have a right to examine my claim. So there is no such statement. On the contrary, Jesus says, I can of my own self do nothing. Can God do everything? Anything? Yes. What does Jesus say? He can do nothing. He said, of that day knoweth no man, no, not the angels, not the Son, but the Father in heaven. So in his knowledge he is not like God. In his power is not like God. He says, his all power is given unto me, it's not mine. Where does he say, I'm God? Where does he say, worship me? That's all. Ask the Christian, where does your Jesus say, I am God? Where does he say, worship me? Show me. Then we will discuss.